Welcome friends to my YouTube channel Jupiter Finance. Today we'll be talking about life insurance for non-resident Indians. We'll be comparing today the life insurance available to NRIs in USA, UK, Canada versus that available in India. So why does life insurance matters for NRIs? That's because it gives them cross-border protection. Another benefit is even NRIs do have some loans and liabilities. So, in case of an unfortunate event, this life insurance can definitely help the successors of the person NRIs to cope up with the liabilities and have a comfortable life. So, it is very important when it comes to financial planning. It also addresses complexity stemming from varied regulations, currency fluctuations, and differing cost. So, eligibility and policy purchase India versus abroad. NRIs, persons of Indian origin and overseas citizens of India. These are the people who are eligible to buy insurance, life insurance in India. Physical presence in India is generally not required for purchase. It can be bought online, completely hassle free. Convenient online purchase options, often with telemedical examinations. That means tele-verification is done. There is a confirmation on there is a self-declaration that they are perfectly healthy and fine. If at all they have any diseases, they need to declare the same. So it's a simplified process. Whereas if you buy a life insurance abroad, you need to there are the eligibility depends upon the residential status. You cannot get if you are a you cannot get the life insurance unless you are a permanent resident of that particular country and specific local regulations. Some insurance may require a local physical presence or in-person medical examinations, and the underwriting process is also very stringent and very strict. And at times, the life insurance purchased abroad is subject to increase in premium every year. The insured person is supposed to report and do the health checkup every year, and if at all there is a adverse finding in the health report, they need to pay extra premium, which is not the case in India. So NRIs purchasing life insurance in India, their premium is fixed for the tenure of the life insurance policy. It is not subject to increase. So that is another benefit which NRIs get if they buy life insurance in India. Indian life insurance premiums are 50% lower, a significant advantage. They can save a sizable chunk of money in case they choose to buy life insurance from India. Reason being, Indian life insurance market is fiercely competitive, and that's the reason the premiums are really very low in India. India has diverse payment methods, so you can pay your premium conveniently through NRE, non-resident external account, or NRO account, or FCNR account. Some Indian even accept direct foreign currency payments. Indian insurers widely support international payment gateways and often auto debit options, simplifying the need for making payment regularly over the period. So in US, UK, and Canada, premiums are typically payable in the local currency of the country of purchase. So at which makes them really very costly because the US dollars, the Canadian dollars, the Great Britain pound, these currencies are very costly vis-a-vis when it comes to comparing Indian rupee. Coverage and policy features. Indian policies long-term and flexible. You get extensive coverage even at that age, even till the age of 100 years. That's a whole life policy they call it. So available for sums between 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 crore. So depending upon the earnings you have, like so the cover which you get depends upon the earnings which you have. So it comes also with diverse different kind of riders like critical illness cover, accidental death, waiver of premium. So also they have a smart exit innovative option. That means, say for example, you have a policy period of 25 years, and after 10 years, you plan to discontinue the policy. So you will be eligible for some amount of premium which will be returned to you. You also have a ROP option, which is return of premium option. Say for example, you survive the policy tenure and nothing happens to you, so your premium doesn't get wasted. You will get the entire premium back. That is called ROP rider. Whereas if you compare with abroad, you don't get these kind of riders and all. So it's most of the times plain vanilla life insurance cover. So it's less of customization. So you don't get the kind of riders which are really available in India. When it comes to claim settlement and reliability, so Indian insurance market is regulated market by the IRDAI, and there are high claim settlement ratios. So companies like Max Life, they have a claim settlement ratio of 99.35, Tata AI 98.02. So unless there is a fraud, your claim is honored. It's plain and simple. No company will renege onto their promise to pay the claim unless you have done some fraud. Taxation and regulatory environment. If you pay premium under the old tax regime, you get a deduction under Section 80C. So it's an added benefit in case if you're having income from India, then you can set off your premium payments against that income. So again, if you compare with abroad, the tax treatment really depends upon changes from country to country. Challenges and considerations for NRIs. Buying abroad, expect higher premium, potentially more complex underwriting process, and at times the proposal is even rejected just in case if you have complicated diseases like diabetes or BP or something like that. So in India, you may have to pay some additional premium, but at least the cover is not denied. But in foreign countries, the cover may get even denied. Conclusion: best choice depends on individual needs. Indian plans are cost effective and reliable. Abroad is more locally aligned, and NRI should meticulously choose their life cover, compare premiums, coverage terms, claim processes, and tax implications across regions before coming to a decision. So, wish you a safe and healthy living. In case you want a life insurance cover from India, do not hesitate to call or WhatsApp me on the given number. Thank you so much. Bye bye.